AI is everywhere, on your phone, in the news, and yes, at work. It's natural to worry, will a robot take my job? But what if AI could be a partner, not a threat? Imagine AI handling the repetitive tasks, freeing you to focus on creativity, problem solving, and connecting with others. This is the idea behind human-centered AI, putting people at the heart of technology. The goal isn't just efficiency, it's making work better for real people. AI can support workers, reduce stress, and help us learn new skills. The conversation is shifting from fear to opportunity. Leaders now see that adopting AI is a human challenge, not just a technical one. Progress doesn't have to leave people behind. The best future is one where technology lifts everyone. Think of AI as a tool, a digital assistant ready to lend a hand. Like a hammer extending our reach and power, or a calculator speeding up complex calculations, but smarter, more intuitive, and far more versatile. In factories, AI predicts machine breakdowns with incredible accuracy, letting workers fix problems before they happen, preventing costly downtime, and ensuring smooth operations. This transforms workers into proactive problem solvers, empowered by data and insights, not just monitors passively watching for something to go wrong. In offices, AI sorts receipts, categorizes expenses, and flags errors with remarkable speed, saving accountants hours of tedious, repetitive work, freeing them up for more strategic tasks. With AI efficiently handling the grunt work and administrative burdens, people can focus on strategy, long-term planning, relationships with clients and colleagues, and creative thinking to drive innovation. The result? Less stress, fewer mistakes due to human error, and more time for what truly matters: meaningful work and personal fulfillment. AI isn't here to push people out of their jobs or replace human interaction. It's here to augment our abilities and help us use our unique human talents in more valuable and impactful ways. Whether on the factory floor, streamlining production, or in the office, optimizing workflows, AI is a powerful and versatile assistant, ready to tackle the tasks that bog us down. It lets us focus on what only humans can truly excel at and do best: connect with empathy, create with imagination, and solve complex problems with critical thinking. The future of work is about a powerful partnership between humans and AI. Working together with AI as our ally, we can all do our best work and achieve more than ever before. How do we make this vision real? How do we translate these grand ideas into tangible actions that benefit everyone involved? It starts with leadership and training. Cultivating a culture of continuous learning is paramount. Good leaders redesign jobs with people in mind, ensuring roles are fulfilling and aligned with individual strengths. Using AI to support, not replace workers. It's about augmenting human capabilities, not diminishing them. In Germany, a tool manufacturer brought in AI-powered robots, embracing automation to enhance productivity. But instead of layoffs, which is often the immediate concern, they trained workers as robot coordinators, investing in their workforce's future. These employees learned to program and manage the robots, acquiring valuable technical skills, using their expertise to guide the technology, ensuring it aligns with practical needs and real-world applications. In finance, firms use AI to automate audits, streamlining processes and improving accuracy, but retrain junior staff, preparing them for the evolving demands of the industry in data analysis and storytelling, empowering them to communicate insights effectively. Their jobs shift from box ticking, freeing them from mundane tasks, to uncovering insights for clients, providing more strategic and valuable contributions. Investing in people pays off. It's an investment in the company's long-term success. Companies keep talent, fostering a loyal and engaged workforce, and employees gain valuable new skills, enhancing their career prospects and job satisfaction. The lesson? What's the key takeaway from these real-world examples? AI is a chance to grow, not a threat to fear. It's an opportunity to innovate and create new possibilities. When companies help workers adapt, everyone wins. It's a collaborative effort that benefits all stakeholders. The business gets smarter, becoming more agile and competitive in the marketplace, and jobs become more secure and interesting, offering greater fulfillment and stability. Real change means putting people first, prioritizing their well-being and development. With the right support and a commitment to employee growth, AI can make work better for all, creating a more equitable and prosperous future. The future belongs to those who learn and adapt together, embracing change as a collective journey. For AI to work, people need to trust it. That means making sure AI is fair and transparent. If AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions, like favoring one group over another. Leaders must ensure AI systems are open and explainable, not mysterious black boxes. If an AI recommends a promotion, managers should know why. Privacy matters too. Workers deserve to know what data is collected and how it's used. Strict rules and clear communication build trust. Diverse teams help spot and fix bias, making AI work for everyone. Groups like the Algorithmic Justice League fight for fairness in AI. Building trust is essential for a future where technology serves all of us. Fair, transparent AI is the only way forward. The future of AI isn't up to one company or government. It's a shared responsibility that transcends borders and ideologies. It's up to all of us, every individual, every community, to contribute to its ethical and beneficial development. Collaboration is key. It's the cornerstone of progress in this rapidly evolving field. Tech companies with their innovative power, leaders who guide policy and investment, workers who bring their skills and perspectives to the table, and governments must work together, fostering an environment of cooperation and shared learning. We need open conversations about the future we want, transparent dialogues that involve all stakeholders, and how AI can benefit everyone, ensuring equitable access and opportunity for all. Governments can set smart rules, establishing ethical guidelines and safety nets, and invest in training for tomorrow's jobs, preparing the workforce for the changing landscape. Businesses should see AI as a way to empower people, enhancing their capabilities and creativity, not just cut costs, but to create a more fulfilling and productive work environment. True success means building a workforce, a community of professionals that's skilled, resilient, and valued, equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the AI age. AI is a tool, a powerful instrument. We decide how to use it. Its purpose and direction are in our hands. If we lead with empathy and put people first, prioritizing their well-being and dignity, technology can help us solve big challenges, addressing the world's most pressing issues with ingenuity and compassion. The path is clear. The direction is set. Choose people, choose hope, embrace humanity and optimism. Let's build a world where AI serves humanity, where technology empowers and uplifts all. The future is ours to shape. Our collective effort will determine the world we create together, hand in hand, building a brighter tomorrow. With AI as our partner, working alongside us, everyone can thrive, reaching their full potential in a world enriched by technology.